that the capacity, the photosynthetic capacity of everything that is growing on the planet would not sustain the number of bodies on the planet.
Well, you may shift to a version of Earth that doesn't have as many bodies on it. And or you will find that the capacity of the vibrational state that the bodies have reached will actually amplify even a small amount of energy to be adequate. In some senses, this is what we do, because we no longer eat, we no longer sleep. We are deriving our sustenance directly from the energy of our planet and the energy of the cosmos. But because we operate on a certain frequency level, we don't actually need very much, because our own energy, our own vibrational state amplifies and magnifies what we get. Because isn't that the idea of what you call free energy? That you perceive what you call to be over unity? You get more energy out than you put in? Yes?
Interesting, yeah. No,
So the idea is that it doesn't take very much energy in to actually experience a lot of energy out when you are vibrating at a rate that is a particular multiple of the energy coming in. You will amplify it in such a way that there will be more energy out, because you're tapping into a multiple level, dimensional kind of amplifier. So whatever energy you're drawing on from one dimension will actually be augmented and magnified by the vibrational energy of a multitude of dimensions, and you will have more at your disposal, and the energy that you're drawing upon in your reality is actually being used as nothing more than a kickstart.
That makes sense, yeah.
Yes. Does that help?
It does, yeah.
Anything else?